I want some food and I don't have any snacks. I had some whole wheat pita chips, but it was like only a little bit left. Jen said, drink some water and go to bed. I tried that. I do have some dark chocolate, but I feel like that's just gonna, like, if I eat that, the caffeine is gonna make me like want to stay up later and later. So if you go to sleep, you won't be hungry. But I can't really go to sleep if I'm hungry like that. Eat some ice. I don't even have ice. Make an omelet. I don't eat eggs. I don't like eggs. I didn't eat enough. See, that's the problem. See, I had vegan chicken nuggets for dinner. I had vegan chicken nuggets and it was like cool and it tasted good and I was full after I ate it, but literally like 15 minutes later I was hungry again. That's the problem. Somebody says smoke tough and pass out. I don't smoke. Eat some beets. I have some microwave popcorn, but I might pop some popcorn. I also I got that month, the month free of Amazon Prime. I signed up for it, so I've been watching like Amazon Prime Video every night, like every day. Like I'm about to watch everything I want to watch on Amazon Prime while I have this free month subscription, because then I'm not gonna keep it going. What I really want is an In-N-Out burger, but I don't even think that's open right now. It's too late. Yeah, it's closed. But that's what I want. When I gonna do that? I just finished watching The Big Sick. And I almost teared up a little bit. I think that's a really good movie. Salam. Watch Homecoming. What is Homecoming about? I'm very picky. Big Sick was hella good, man. I love that movie. I mean, I've seen it a while ago. Spider-Man Home. I don't like superhero movies. I almost cried. I could have cried, but I had to hold it back. It's sweet. It's a romantic movie. I love In-N-Out. In-N-Out is the best fast food burger invented to me, but that's just me. Have I watched The Good Place? Mm-mm. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna try to just like, hopefully I'll get like sleepy. I love In-N-Out so much. Like, I dream about In-N-Out. I think about In-N-Out every night. But I don't eat it. I only eat it like once every like. I usually eat it. I usually only eat it like on my way to LA or something. Like if I drive to LA. Or like some occasion where I'm like on the road or something. I don't like normally eat In-N-Out, but I love it. I love it dearly. Maybe watch a boring movie. No. Have y'all watched a series called All American? Yeah, I don't like stuff like that, man. I'm not into that. That's not my kind of thing. I know what you're talking about, All American. It's not my thing. You never had In-N-Out? Oh man, I don't understand people who don't like In-N-Out. In-N-Out is like the best quality fast food burger and fries you can get. It's like real burgers. You see them making. It's not frozen. The fries aren't frozen. Season of Stars, Julia. Nah, I'm good. I haven't heard the song with NF and Hobson. See, the reason why In-N-Out is so fire is because all the ingredients is local. So that's why there's no In-N-Outs on the East Coast, because they literally ship out the ingredients like every day or every couple of days. So it would take too long for it to get to they don't it would take too long for it to get to the East Coast. So that's why they keep it the way they keep it. Oh, Monty's Good Burgers, fire. I love Monty's. I didn't get a chance to go this week when I was in LA, but next time. I usually go to oh, I usually go there every time I'm in LA. Chick-fil-A is fire too. I love me some Chick-fil-A. Veggie Grill, I love Veggie Grill. Usually I have like some trail mix or something, but I'm all out, y'all. Ever heard of Highway 55 food place on the East Coast? Where on the East Coast? A Plus Burger in Oakland. Um, I also watched all Woody Allen's movies on Amazon Prime because I figured once he gets canceled, they're going to take them all off. So I was like, I better watch them now before they all gone. All right, y'all, let me get off of this here thing. I think I'm starting to get tired, so hopefully my sleepiness will outweigh my hunger.